Hello everyone, hi Capricorn, at sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, okay? So let's see your messages and what's going on, Capricorn. Capricorn at sign. I think there is separation. Yeah, some are you in separation. Yeah, most of you are not in contact with your person. Definitely there is separation between both of you guys. So one person walked away from the other person. Some tower moment is already taking place. For some it is going to be. Definitely one person is undergoing some transformation. Your person could be work also. Yeah, I think you stand by your power this time, Capricorn, earth energy, and yeah, you stand by your power, but your person may be stuck on you. Definitely they are stuck on you. I think you turn your back from your person, 3 of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. I think for some it could be third party situation, children's involved also. Your person maybe have kids with other women, or maybe they already married. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, separation. Definitely there is some cold shouldering also here. I think you are not talking to your person right now because you are undergoing some transformation, some healing after this separation. I think in past, I think you offered commitment to this person, but your person not offered. They are in and out your life. They are non-committal, and they did something to you. Definitely for some it could be third party. I think you are decided to move on from this person, and yeah, it is tower moment. Definitely it is tower moment for you, Capricorn, what I am seeing here. For some, you will receive some communication, 6 of Swords. I think you are decided to move on from this person after the transformation. Yeah, you are undergoing some transformation healing, Capricorn. But someone coming back to you, already they approached you, King of Pentacles, to offer stability. So yeah, I think you turn your back, waiting. I think waiting game is going between both of you. But you stand by your power this time. But your person stuck on you. They are coming back with offer, King of Pentacles, stability offer. But now you are concentrating on your career. You want to concentrating on your career. Now you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, transformation, healing. Yeah, you want to move on from this person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So here, lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Then we will get more clarity. So Capricorn, your person current feelings towards you. First we will see. Yeah, 4 of Swords. I think, yeah, he is not talking to you, he or she. High Priestess. I think your person also undergoing some spiritual healing. I think the Hermit could be your person also. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But you are waiting for your person to take action towards you. If it is your person. Yeah, you both are stuck. Definitely you both are stuck. I think your person stuck on you. They are unable to make any move. They are thinking about you a lot, but not making any move because they are listening to their higher self. 4 of Swords, not talking, but thinking about you a lot. There is no doubt. And High Priestess, definitely they are listening to their higher self. And yeah, they are stuck on you. Literally, they are stuck and thinking about you a lot, but not making any move right now. I think they are thinking about the situations which had happened between both of you, but they're stuck on you, they're thinking about you right now, okay, but you are waiting for your person to come towards you. For some you decided to move on from this person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. You person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you after healing stage. Your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Yeah, Knight of Swords, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups. I want one more card for Eight of Cups clarification. Yeah, Three of Swords came reverse. And one more card. I think communication. Definitely they will open up in near future. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, they undergoing some healing process. After once healing completed, definitely they will come towards you. Yeah, they are wishing for communicate you. Definitely they want to talk to you. They are wishing for the communication, but they want to express their feelings to you. King of Swords and Knight of Swords. Definitely they are rushing towards you, but after healing, I think you person maybe walked away from you, that causing this pain and separation. For some you may be walked away from your person because there is no equal give and take, there is no commitment. For some it could be third party situation also. Yeah, I think some honest communication. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you and to express their feelings to you, what I am seeing here. For some you person scared that you will reject their offer, but they are wishing, their wish fulfillment is to communicate you. At least they want to express their feeling, okay. You person could be Lord of Water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lord of Air energy. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. Lord of energy. Okay. I am not taking any one of these. So outcome. Yeah, stuck. Definitely this connection is stuck right now. You both are stuck. Tower, yes. Capricorn, what's going on? A lot of air energy, guys. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Wands, communication. Of Pentacles. I think one person may be juggling. I think it could be your person or you. I think for some you want your person back, for some you want to move on. One time you have strong emotion for your person, one time you want to move on. That's like, but communication, definitely some communication is coming in your way. Page of Wands, they want to message you. Definitely they want to express their true feelings to you after healing, what I'm getting here, because stuck right now, your person stuck. They are unable to make any move towards you. I think you may be walked away. They are waiting for the right time. After healing, definitely they will communicate you. I think communication is the key here, guys. I think one person may be anger there, the other person in this connection. Page of Wands. Yeah, some communication. But some tower moment also. I think for some in your person's life, they are undergoing something. Okay, they are undergoing literally some tower moment for them. This separation also causing some tower moment for them. Yeah, I think communication, what I am seeing here. So this separation causes, I think you both are suffering from this separation because you in connection cards the tower and your card also tower. Definitely you both are suffering for this separation. So your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Yeah, Four of Cups, Death, Six of Wands, Star and Eight of Wands. Yeah, definitely communication is coming in your way. I already told you. Still you are hoping for some. Still you are hoping for this person. And Six of Wands. Yeah, you will get success. If you want your person come back, definitely they are coming back. Death, you are also undergoing some transformation. And Four of Cups. Yeah, I think for some your person feeling that you maybe reject their offer. You will reject their offer. For some you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or especially Aquarius or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Fool, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Three of Wands. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time, guys. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. Definitely, they will wait and they will fight until you will give second chance, or they will wait for second chance until you give. Okay, and the Fool, definitely they want to take leap of faith and they want a brand new beginnings with you. So your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, a lot of fire energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.